Often Neymar Jr. receives a lot of criticism from those who consider that the Brazilian fakes in some plays. And this Monday, his detractors found a new situation to grab onto after a dubious action that was sentenced as a penalty in the friendly between PSG and Gamba Osaka in Japan. During the 30th minute of the preseason commitment, Neymar overflowed down the left wing, and when entering the area, he made a cut in front of the Japanese defender, who swept away and would have touched the forward for the sentence of the maximum penalty. However, in the replay it can be seen how the defender tries to defend with a sweep and picks up his foot just before touching PSG 10. The action was not criticized by internet users only for having launched into the action, but when he fell he writhed in pain on the pitch. The truth is that after the sentence, Neymar Jr. changed the shot from 11 steps per goal, and later at minute 60, he returned to manifest himself in the match with his second goal of the game. Carioca's brace helped PSG to a lopsided 6-2 victory over the Japanese side to close out their Asian tour.